I'm here now at the Centre for Integrated Machining, and I talked a bit about passion and passion for manufacturing and engineering. And education and training is critical. In this facility here, they have 3-axis and 5-axis machines. They have software that allows them to program 5-axis components, which are the type of components that we're manufacturing. They have inspection equipment that allows them to be trained and to learn how to inspect a part to a very, very high tolerance. Engineers that are bred here are the engineers of our future that come across from this program to our facility with their advanced training, bringing new software, new skills, sometimes a whole new way of manufacturing for us into our manufacturing facility itself. And I think the most important thing is that they can win an opportunity to come and work for us full time. From our workforce, over 50% have come through this 3rd-year program, and together we create a hub of excellence that allows us to advance in our business a lot faster. For me, this is the foundation of the reason that Fastech has been so successful